Divine Collective, I've had quite a few readers tell me that when they're close to my energy, that what's so frustrating, Divine Collective, is that my energy cannot be decoded. I used to not really understand what they meant by that, okay? I never had anybody elaborate too much on that, okay? Most of the time, they would just smile and say, you'll understand soon enough, right? I'm starting to really understand, Divine Collective, that I really just can't be decoded. When I sat here and I started to think about that, I can't even decode myself, and I'm me, right? What I mean by that, for example, is that every day, you know, I go to bed with a plan, right? I really do. Best of intentions, a plan on what I'm going to wake up, what I'm going to do, step by step. I have a plan. However, I'm a completely different version of me when I wake up. Every morning, Divine Collective. Most of the time, the things that I was thinking of the night prior, the routine or the schedule that I put myself on, when I wake up in the morning and I start to think about it, it becomes very boring to me, Divine Collective. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not feeling that today. Really not feeling that today. In a matter of just hours, I switch so very fast. I do this also with shopping, Divine Collective. I'll pick out clothes, I'll put them in a cart, and 5 hours later, I'll go back and I'm like, what was I thinking? Does anyone else do this? I know I can't be the only one, okay? But my energy is quite different, Divine Collective, because I will, like I said, I'll have a whole plan that will work, but that morning I will want to challenge myself, and that plan then becomes boring that I made the previous night, and I have to just uproot my entire day, change everything up, challenge myself even more, and go on about my business, Divine Collective. So I'm starting to understand that's what you know, these specific elders meant. They never elaborated. I'm starting to learn that the best teachers, they allow you to learn on your own, okay? I had many elder readers turn me down for a reading in the beginning of my journey, Divine Collective. I had a couple, okay, and it kind of hurt me at that time. I'm like, well, hey, they're supposed to be guides and teachers, and they were sending my money back, and then I wasn't understanding, Divine Collective. I thought there was something wrong with me or my energy. It wasn't until probably a year and a half after, you know, one of my most favorite readers sent my money back. I just knew it wasn't me, right? I couldn't have been my energy, because this is the same reader who had helped me to awaken to whom I was, right? This is the same reader who was helping me to see that I was walking around with a pure heart and the world was treating me like I was garbage, right? So it didn't make sense that she would send my money back to me, right? So I had to sit with myself about that. And about a year and a half after that happened, Spirit came to me in a download, Divine Collective, and actually said, I told her not to read your energy. There were a lot of things that you had to navigate through that you couldn't have the cheat code for, right? And I was just so, at that time, I took a deep breath in, because I'm like, I didn't know if it was me, Divine Collective, like, why was no one wanting to read my energy? But what it was is Spirit was directing these certain readers to let me figure things out on my own, okay? I wasn't very patient in the beginning. I wanted to learn, I wanted to know. However, I was being taught patience, Divine Collective. But yeah, I wake up every day different, with a different thought, with a different plan, and within seconds that will change. I can have an entire reading laid out and jump into something completely different, okay? Is anyone else out there like that, Divine Collective? Talk to me. Peace, love, and light.